What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at this. This is a brand new keyboard case that I just got in from ONHI. It's for the iPad Pro 11-inch. It's called the Note Key. Let's turn this into a laptop. So guys, if you're new here, welcome. If you're back again supporting me, I want to thank you. I appreciate all the love. This is a product that I just got in. Now, one thing I'm having an issue with already is the fingerprints. I've had this only for a little while and these fingerprints will not go away. This is the actual case though. This is all you get in the box, and you get a micro USB charger adapter. No plugs into the wall. So this is it though. The back is hard plastic. The bottom is a even harder plastic. This bottom part houses your keyboard. You have a nice backlit keyboard on here. Let's kill some of this light so we can see our keyboard. So you get a nice backlit keyboard. Let's see the different colors. You can actually change colors. 7 different colors. You can just cycle right through them. Now you have brightness levels, 3 separate brightness levels, and you can even turn it off. This keyboard boasts 180 hours standby time and only 5 hours if you're gonna be using the backlit method. So real estate, this is a full QWERTY keyboard. You have all the normal buttons, the caps, the shift. You have tons of secondary features. You have options that are going to control your iPad. You have home buttons. You have brightness up and down. You have keyboard switching from onboard to keyboard. You have music options. You have volume options. You have LED lights up here letting you know what's going on when it's paired. When it comes on, as soon as you open this up with your tablet in it and it's paired, your tablet is automatically connected already. But when you open it, it activates auto sleep wake. So you actually have auto sleep wake with this. Like I said, it's a nice hard plastic. It hinges perfectly. Like, I have no issues with this. It's not floppy at all, even when you put the iPad in it, and we're going to see that in just a moment. Once you throw that iPad in, it's not floppy. There are no issues. You still can take pictures if you want to. And the bottom, like I said, is just a nice hard plastic shell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my iPad in here. Now this, for the iPad Pro 11, this company only makes one color. So you'll just have to deal with black for right now. It snaps in just like that, and there you go. You have a laptop mode. Now, we're not saying this is a true laptop. I know people are gonna be trying to beat me up about this, but not a true laptop. You're just making your iPad more compatible with the keyboard. So this is what it looks like when it's in your actual laptop mode. We're going to fold it down. Now I want you to notice it hinges, like it literally, you have to force it open. So it's a very smooth hinging motion. So I want you to notice, once you actually close this, it's going to lock itself. Hear that lock? And then as you open, auto sleep wake kicks in, and you're going to be able to use that feature as well. As soon as you open it, you look at it, and boom, it's unlocked. So we get that unlocked just like that. Now this is a very slim, compact feature of a keyboard. It's gonna snap right in. You have your actual toggles built into the Bluetooth. It's a very lightweight. It's not that heavy, not that bulky. You're gonna be able to do tons of different things. It's gonna add to your productivity. Now the average person just wants to type. You wanna type and you wanna protect. So you saw typing. Not to mention, you have, boom, a spot for your Apple Pencil on the outside. So you got protection, which, you know, so all my cases are, you've seen my reviews before. I look for the ability to charge this. I look for auto sleep wake, which we have, and I look for the ability to protect. And this is a lightweight keyboard. You don't have a whole lot of bulk added. You're gonna charge and you're gonna have auto sleep wake. So what more can you ask for? So I'll be sure and leave a link below to this device. This is the Note Key from the company ONHI. This is for the iPad Pro 11. They also make these for the other iPad models. They just come in different colors. So ONHI, if you're listening, please get me an updated color for this. I would like to have something other than black. Until next time, guys, hope this is able to help someone out. I'll be sure and leave a link in the description below. Please be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.